Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use Raspberry Pi Imager. This utility is similar to Win32 and Etcher, but it is faster and lighter than Etcher. First of all, open your browser and type in Raspberry Pi. You will see first result raspberrypi.org. Here click in download. Here you can choose which imager you want depending on your OS. It is available for Windows, Mac and Linux. As of now, Windows size is about 18 MB, Mac is about 17 MB and Linux is about 275 KB. I am downloading Ubuntu one. After download, click it to open. Now it will download and install some dependency, which is about 3 MB. Type in your password. Now again, if you are using Mac or Windows, just double click the installer. Now open installed imager. Keep in mind that if you want to use latest OS images, stay connected with internet. Now click choose OS. Here you will get option to install latest Raspberry Pi OS, which is recommended by them. Next you will get option to install lighter Raspberry Pi OS and ported one. Next you can install Kodi for different Raspberry Pi models. Next you can install official Ubuntu images. Next you will get bootloader for Raspberry Pi 4. In case you have corrupted the bootloader, you can repair it. Then you will get option to format and option to custom install. Today I am going to use this option. I am going to install Puppy Linux on this USB drive. Click erase and choose your card, in this case USB drive. Click right and it will format it. Now click on custom option and choose your ISO. Remember, it can only see IMG format, so select all file option. Now choose SD card, in this case USB drive, and click right. Type in your password and it will verify it after writing. I will put boot results at the end of this video. In case you wanna uninstall it, just open terminal and type in these commands. If you like this video, then hit the like button, do subscribe this channel, stay tuned, I will see you soon.